Hi guys, a new update has been released for Xiaomi and Redmi smartphone system launcher release a new versions. And these versions adds new feature for MIUI 13.5. Before this update only the alpha versions was available and now the stable updates is finally out. In this video I will show you how to update your phone to the new versions and tell you about new features. To update to these versions, install the update APK. You can download it in my Telegram Techno Smart. The link will be in the info box. After the update, new features are added to the desktop settings. Don't show text icon, desktop testing, and desktop icon are now without text and new format appears. Home screen layout 4:7 and add new settings: animation speed, relaxed, balanced, fast. If you turn on relax, then the animation will be as smooth as possible. Home screen classic with up draw. And add a new design, set default screen. New design MIUI 13.5. Right design MIUI 13. If you don't like this update, you can uninstall it. Go security application. Manage apps, show all apps. In search system launcher, uninstall update. And the version that was installed before will return. If the video was helpful, subscribe to my channel. See you in new videos.